Let's get one thing straight. You weren't born to tiptoe through life with a wet matchstick. It's time to set your soul ablaze and torch every shred of fear holding you back. Let hesitation watch in horror as your passion rips through every excuse like a wildfire. Legends aren't made by playing it safe. They're forged in the heat of relentless drive. So crank up that inner inferno. Let it roar so loud that self-doubt packs its bags and runs. You're not here to warm your hands by the fire. You are the fire. Now go out there and scorch your mark onto this world.